Looky over here. Any over here? Come over here. Good job.
Oh, well.
What about over here?
Dad!
Dad, come on. Do you see any over there, Lukey?
What?
Good job. Good job. Are we going in here?
None in there though.
Lukey, none in there.
None in the bathroom, none in the cat's room.
And in the closet.
Yeah.
Hey.
Lukey. You did have a lot of eggs. Come here. Come over here. Come this way. Now turn around.
Why? Why?
Let's go this way.
Why? They're coming.
I'm coming.
Oh my goodness, there are more in here.
Wow.
Lots in here.
Here?
Egg.
Okay, good.
One, two. You have more than two.
Any in the closet?
More? More?
Any in over here? Yay!
Good one.
What?
Wow!
Okay. Good.
Good job!
What?
What about over here?
Forgot about that.
Candle.
Can't write on the candle. Right.
Good. I bet you Daddy hid some in the closet. Go check the closet, Lukey. Thanks. Did you get one? Cool.
This is Uncle Brian's closet.
Uncle Brian's closet. Any more in here, Daddy?
I think that's it.